guys, welcome back to Lisa's Story Time. Today I'll be reading 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. And I hope you enjoy. Let's begin our magical, wonderful story. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. 3, 4, Knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids are courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. 21, 22, shoe fox shoe. 23, 24, home once more. 25, 26, let's get this fixed. 27, 28, fasten the gate. 29, 30, you're safe now, Gertie. That's the end of the story. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.